US crude and natural gas both have seen a little rise yesterday, and we had discussed this that one can stay long, one can stay bullish, and crude and nat gas both. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect today? Which position you should take in at what levels such that you can profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. You can also remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into US crude here, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Firstly, on the hourly charts. Now, on the hourly charts, you can see it was divergent from the 20 period moving average, converged here. Now, again, looking forward to diverge. Now, this convergence divergence is an interesting game here. Certainly, now the support is at 73.8. If you see it dropping below 73.8, sell here. See, 73.8 is a definitely very good support. In fact, if you see it trading below 74, you can sell, but then 73.8, 73.5 levels. Now, till 73.4 rather I will say, or in fact till 73 levels itself, just put a 20 cents trailing stop loss, as this is an expanding triangle. It can try to bounce back again, and yes, it can achieve little lower levels also, and hence put a 20 cents trailing stop loss if you are taking a sell entry at 74. That is the first part to it. Second part here, a breakout beyond 74.5. Now see, multiple candles getting the resistance at this levels indicates that this is going to remain a good resistance. And we had discussed in recent past that beyond 74 the targets are at 76. So is it going to do or achieve that levels today? Yes, if it stays above 74.5, first target should be 75, 75.2 zone, and then 76 levels. Now let's have a look. But remember, on the hourly chart, the moving averages have diverged strongly. Hence, potential conversion or potential little drop has to be there before it again starts to diverge more. Now, stochastic has dropped. MACD is still divergent and bearish. RSI almost flat. And if you look at 2-hour charts, now on the 2-hour charts, you can find a flat bottom here. It is trading with divergence. Now trying to break out and look upwards. See, consolidated here, first green candle and consolidation. A breakout candle will pull the prices little high, and then you can look for 75 levels, the first resistance. Stochastic rising. MACD is divergent and bearish here, and this crossover is happening at a slightly higher levels. RSI almost flat. And if you look at 3-hour, now see, on the 3-hour charts, higher lows are seen divergent here. Possibility of a support exists at 73.5, and yes, if it drops below 74, you can indeed take a sell entry there, but then put a 20 cents trailing stop loss there till 73. Very good support exists for crude. Yes, it can potentially converge here. Stochastic rising. MACD is trying to converge here, crossover for a sell. RSI very near to the overbought zone. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, it appears it is still got some room for it to rise 74.5. It may try to again see here. Stochastic is dropped, trying to recover. MACD is bullish, trying to converge, and RSI is trading very near to the top. Also, now look at the movement here. See the divergence from the moving average. It converged here, now trying to look, but see, this is still trading with a good bullishness. And if you look at the moving averages also, these are mixed up, so it has still got some room for it to rally further, and hence above 74.5, yes, one can stay long. Now most importantly, on the daily charts, moving averages trying to converge here. 3 green candles in a row, but look at the previous candle. Despite inventory data coming from US, which was potentially positive for oil, but still you can see the movement is very minimal. But at the same time, the wick on the upside, the tail on the downside has kept the room open for a good bullish candle again. Also remember, it has breached past 74 levels, which was certainly a very good support at 73.8 and 74, and it is trying to trade above this. And if you observe how it has behaved, see, higher lows are seen, lower highs were seen, and this is a breakout which might stretch the rise for a little while. Stochastic rising here, MACD, you can see divergent and looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards, staying bullish here. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy crude at 74.6 levels and sell at 74. If you are selling at 70, just ensure that 73.8, 73.5 are very good support levels, and below that 73. So till 73, just put a 20 cents trailing stop loss. Possibility of a conversion till there exists, and then a bounce back or a recovery can be also seen. Staying above 4.5, 74.5, certainly 75 is the next target. And yes, we have discussed this several times that above 74, my targets are going to be 76. Possibly it can try to achieve those levels today itself. Trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Natural gas on the hourly charts staying bullish here. You can see this is the extremely sharp bullish channel in which it is trying to trade, and we had discussed this several times. Now 2.55, 2.53, 2 cents trailing stop loss, very small, but that is how net gas is trading right now. So a possible sell entry at 2.55 or 2.54, 2.56 to 54 zone is definitely a very good support, and there is a probability for it to converge still here. And we have already seen, we had discussed this several times, 2.5, 2.45 levels are very good support, and it can bounce back. Now, does it mean that it is now bullish and it is going to fly high? We will see it soon here. Now look at the stochastic, this has dropped. MACD, now see the bullishness here and the bearishness here. The slope is different. This is a retracement, not a reversal. So drop, retracement, and then a drop might follow. RSI is still looking down. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now on the 2-hour charts, it is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bullish cross, but at the same time, it can converge till here, and hence till 2.54 levels today, we are not going to sell net gas, only sell entry below 2.54, but then just put a 2 cents trailing stop loss there, 2.52, 2.5, 2.48, 2.45 levels. Very good support there, and hence sell at 2.54 levels only. Stochastic overbought looking down. MACD is bullish trying to converge. RSI very near to the highs. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour charts, trying to diverge the moving averages, but yes, it can possibly come back till here because it has seen a little divergence here. Possibility of it or to retrace a little exists. Stochastic is also overbought. The MACD here has crossed over, and it is looking upwards, trading with a slight bullish bias. RSI comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, now see, forming a bottom here, 1 bullish candle, 2 bullish candles, but look at the bullishness diminishing here. Here also, what it is trying to do, retracement, and then possibly a 3rd bullish candle may follow. Till the time it stays above 2.54, do not short net gas. Below 2.54, expect 2.5 levels, very good support, 2.48, very good support. If it breaks below 2.48, wait for the next round of drop there, and it is going to drop for 2.4, 2.36 levels in the next strong support levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD here trying to converge, crossover for a buy. It just crossed over, you can say. RSI almost flat, and if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily chart. First of all, a bottom here. We had seen this yesterday that the bearishness is diminishing and the possibility of a rise. It has seen a good rise. It has come back to close to 2.6 levels, and we had discussed this also that my targets for beyond 2.6 are very high. And if today again you see trading about 2.6, this may try to form at least a double top before looking forward to any further drop, which means it will increase the probability till 2.83 levels again. Now see, moving averages have just crossed over, and these are, you can see, divergence from the moving averages and the convergence still here. Now again looking forward to trade upwards, trade bullish. Stochastic oversold, MACD is trying to converge, it is bullish, RSI is almost flat near to the top. Considering this, you can stay long about 2.6 levels. Expect net gas to hit 2.64, 2.7 to 2.8 levels. On the downside, the support there exists very strong, but you can sell here at 2.54 levels, 2.5, 2.45, 2.5, 2.8, 48, 2.45, very good support, and then 2.4 levels will be seen. Till 2.35, I will not consider net gas as bearish. It can potentially bounce back strongly again. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.